I really want to know who created this. I'm not happy with you.
Hey everyone, so welcome to another day. Hey everyone! So welcome to another day in the Adventures of Thailand, day 3 I believe. We're now exploring, I'm going to fall while doing this, but never mind. We're now exploring and adventuring some waterfalls, a series of stages of waterfalls. So now it's probably going to be a montage or something of waterfalls.
Huh? There's lots of steps.
Oh, you're upside down.
Ooh.
What are you saying about steps?
There's steps.
What don't you like steps?
5, 6, 7, 8.
And now we're trekking up to the next stages of waterfall. So if you don't like waterfalls, skip ahead.
Who created this? I'm not happy with you. You vlogging now, Fabric?
How are you coping, Anna? It's like one of those fitness holidays.
It really is. Whoa. I need to get close, it doesn't have zoom.
It's poisonous as well.
Oh, really?
The same one?
Yeah, it's the same one.
That's a big old one. It was really scary.
Is it? Yeah.
You tell me, Hannah, was it worth it? Actually?
Oh.
Was
Did
it?
you get that on film?
Yeah. Day 149 in the outback of jungle, trying to survive. I'm leading the tour group now because the guide has given up. Where's Bong? Where's Bong? There's Bong. He's given up. So I'm leading the tour group to safety. I am the one to save the day. I am the one that comes.
The Shorty Award for YouTuber of the Year goes to...
We made it up. It was a bit of a hike, but we made it up. We made it to level 7 at the waterfall. Hey! And this is it. Spectacular. Oh shit. Wagwanin. Welcome back to another day. I'm exhausted. Bloody hell. That trek, well, it wasn't really the trek day. The trek day is like tomorrow or something. It was exhausting. But we managed to visit a few of the waterfalls. Unfortunately, we were a bit rushed for time because we decided to go all the way to the top waterfall, which is supposed to be like the main one, the main level, whatever. So we didn't really have time to go in many of the waterfalls, unfortunately, which is a shame. But apparently there's more waterfalls included, so hopefully we'll see more waterfalls. I think I've talked about waterfalls way too much in this sentence. So anyway, yesterday after the waterfalls, we literally all just crashed because it was exhausting. And there's actually currently a little girl on the pool just watching me, which is really awkward. Never mind. Oh well, I could do it with an audience. But yeah. Yeah, so anyway, after the... Now I've gone really awkward. Yeah, so literally after we explored the waterfalls, we all literally just crashed and just came back to the hotel and slept and had a little bit of just relaxation because it was a bit too much exercise and energy. I felt like I was in like one of the Uncharted games, like exploring, but yeah. But we're now back to another day in Thailand. As you can see, today we're actually going on a bike ride, I believe, on roads and stuff. So that should be fun. If I can film it, I doubt I can because multitasking is not my opportunity, but if I can, I shall film some and put it in to the vlog. But who knows if I can. I'm also going to currently apologise to either myself, my future self, Jack, if you're editing this, about how much or what I filmed, because I have no idea, because everything's been so that I have no idea if I've been filming the right stuff, or even if I've got content to make daily vlogs, or if it's just a big one vlog. Who knows what this is, but that is pretty much sums up how this adventure has been. And yeah, so if you're sticking with it, thanks. Like and subscribe and all that business. You know what to do, and let's continue on the adventure. Bye.